Good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to present about my micro project, which is based on a database management system. So it's a movie ticket booking system. So I'll just open the web page for this. Okay, so this is the starting index page. So this project is called as CineBook, which is an online ticket booking system. It is designed to simulate how real-world platforms like Book My Show and other websites for booking online movie tickets work, but it is based on a micro project level. The system allows the users to browse different movies, select them, and choose different seats within different theaters and see the different pricing categories and complete a booking by generating a booking ID. Here I have not incorporated the payment methods, which would make the project much more complicated. So once we have opened this page, we can either register or log in. So when you click on register, it allows you to give your name, your email ID, password, and phone number, and then create an account. Otherwise, if you already have an account, you can just log in. So since I already have made my account, I'm just going to give my email ID and password here and then click on login. So once you log in, it shows the different categories of movies that we have available here. So we have English movies, Hindi movies, Malayalam movies, Kannada movies, and Telugu movies. So this system uses a session-based authentication. So only logged-in users can access the protected pages, which are like the movies, and then allows you to continue booking. So here the movies are dynamically fetched from the database that we have, and these are grouped based on their language, such as English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, etc. So the database that I have made is currently on PHP So we have a movie underscore DB database, which has different tables such as bookings, movies, shows, theaters, users, etc., which are different tables that contain all the data that is required and incorporated within this website. So here, each movie card displays the poster of the movie, the title, and the genre, and gives an option for booking now. So I can give a small example on how to insert another movie into the table. So here we can give the value insert into movies. Then we'll give the title, language, genre. And then I'm going to give a random URL for the image because most of the URLs that I have for the images are taken from Google. So once I have these images, I have saved them to a particular folder within the project folder that I have on my local system. But since I have not taken any image for this particular movie that I'm adding right now, it might not show any display poster on the website that we have. So I'm just putting here, otherwise it might throw an error. Mm, Give a semicolon in the end. In order to run this, we press on the go. So, okay, this shows that a row is inserted into the table. To check that, we can click on movies here and then click here. We can see that the latest entry has been added here. Okay. In order to check this, we can refresh this page. Mm, Okay, we have the Tamil movies here. So this is the movie that we recently added, and it shows the name of the title of the movie, the genre, and the book nav option. The display image is not possible since I've not added it to the assets folder within the local project folder. So this have shown how to insert a movie directly into the database. So once I've refreshed it, it has appeared on the web page. Now we can update the movie that we have added. So here again, we can go back to the movie database and then click on SQL. So here we can update by giving the update query. Update, we can give movies, and then we can set the genre as action. Now we can set it as mm, we can change the drama to action. Okay. And then we'll add where title. Yeah, we'll see if this works. Okay. So we can again go back here. We can refresh this. Okay. It has changed the name to drama/action. So this change of the genre is immediately reflected on the website. Now we can delete this entry that we have added. So again, we click on the movies underscore DB database, then we click on SQL, and then we can give the delete option. Delete from movies where title is equal to dude. Or we can delete a previous one. We can just delete jailer, and then we can run it. Once this is done, we can refresh it. It has removed the movie card from the website. So this is removed from the database, which is why it no longer appears on the website. Now, in order to book a particular movie, for example, we can select Dune here. So we click on book now. So after selecting a movie, we are taken to the booking page. So here the user is first allowed to select a theater. So I've given a few names of the theaters that are available and that are here in Hyderabad. So these are fetched dynamically from the database in the selected city, which in this case we have as Hyderabad. So again, if you click this theaters table here, we have the theater names that is present in the Hyderabad city. Again, here we have a seating layout, which also are categorized into different categories such as platinum, gold, silver, and if it's booked, it's supposed to show as grayed out. So the seating is divided into these zones, and when a user selects a particular seat, the total price is calculated dynamically using JavaScript. So for example, let's click on D8 and D9, these two seats. So the seats that are selected are shown here. These are disabled to prevent double booking once we complete the booking. So total price shows as 360. So we have selected the theater, we have selected the seats, and now we'll click on complete booking. Okay, sorry, the theater is not selected. We'll select AMB cinemas. Can select, okay, the seats that are already booked shows this. I actually previously tried playing with this, so which is why it shows that. So we have selected two seats and it shows the total price, and then we click on complete booking. So here a unique ID is generated, which based on my idea is to show that a user, once they get the booking ID, they can go to the particular theater and then complete the payment using the booking ID. Because otherwise, in order to incorporate the payment system, it should make the micro project much more complicated. So since a booking ID is generated, the seats that were booked previously for a particular theater would be completely booked and disabled for other users, so that there will not be any double booking possible within this website. So we can go back to the main page after clicking on complete booking. I mean, book another movie, and then we can log out. So once you log out, you come to the main page, which shows the movie index page. Now I can show the bookings table. So here we can type select uh, all from bookings. So once you do this, it will give all the values in the database along with the seat details and the total amount that is booked. So this is the booking ID. We have generated at least 8 booking IDs, and then the seats that were selected for each booking ID and the total amount of price that was paid and when this was done. All right, this is the one that we did today, 25th December. In order to delete from this bookings, we can again select MovieDB, SQL, delete from bookings where booking ID is equal to 1. We can run this, and this will delete which had the booking ID 1. So we can go back to bookings. See, it has removed the 1. We have the booking ID starting from 2. So once we log out, the user session is destroyed and the user is redirected back to the home page, which ensures security. So in conclusion, this website, CineBook, demonstrates a complete full stack application for booking online movie tickets for movies using PHP and MySQL. So it covers authentication, CRUD operations, dynamic UI updates, theater-wise seat availability, and database persistence. So this project closely stimulates real-world online booking systems. That's it from my side. Thank you.